Are you looking for the best neck fans? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best neck fans on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Abrasion Neck Fan. Associate Shopping Editor Janae McKenzie has used this neck fan to survive sweaty NYC commutes and hot Aruba beach days. This genius neck fan has been such a lifesaver this summer that I bought 4 of them, McKenzie says. That's also how affordable they are. It pulls in the hot air around you, cools it, and blows it back out at your neck, like your own personal air conditioner. Even if you get sweaty or wet from the pool, it won't slip off your neck. The U-shape provides 360-degree cooling, but it doesn't tangle or blow longer hair all over the place. Number 2. Cold Sky Portable Handheld Fan. Before McKenzie bought the Abrasion, she was using this Cold Sky fan. The rechargeable battery can last all night, and a digital display lets you know exactly how much battery you have left. I've been using this portable fan for over a year, whether I'm traveling or I'm just working from home and don't want to run up my electric bill, McKenzie says. It comes with its own stand for use while sitting or lying down, and a cord to hang it around your neck for hands-free cooling. You can even tuck it in a front shirt pocket and tilt the fan head up at you. Number 3. Jisulife Portable Neck Fan. The headphone-style frame of this fan is lightweight enough to rest on your shoulders for hours. It's rechargeable and comes with up to 16 hours of cooling power on a single charge. This neck fan even comes with a twistable frame, so it can adjust for the perfect fit, and change with any outfit. It comes with 5 interchangeable speeds, and it's whisper quiet at just 25 decibels. Number 4. Tora COOLI Air Neck Fan Air Conditioner. The back of this neck fan has a section with embedded cooling chips designed to cool your skin directly, while the blades around it provide a refreshing breeze. What really sets this neck fan apart, though, is the dual airflow. It blows air up towards your face and down towards your body at the same time, providing a full body cooling experience. Number 5. Automotive Neck Fan. Dual fan heads provide double the cooling power in this wearable fan. The back of the fan slides around your neck, leaving these 2 fans to blow a refreshing breeze right at you. There's plenty of flexibility in the neck of each fan, so it can twist to hit just the right angle. Number 6. Acolfan Portable Neck Fan. This neck fan is so small and discreet, it's perfect to leave it hanging around your neck without looking like an eyesore. And if you need it more out of the way, you can clip it to your waist. It comes with 3 speeds and it's available in 9 colors. At under $15, you could easily snag one for the entire family.